Okay, it's pretty cute. It's a good size for her. Comes with stickers. You put like on the bottle for the soap. And I think how it works, although it doesn't tell you, it comes with a bunch of little stuff and food and cups and utensils. What you do is you fill this up with water, and then you put batteries in here and you turn this on, and it recirculates the water through there. So you're not putting in new water all the time, which is, I guess, a pretty cool way to do it. What do you think?
Hi you guys, so this is the play sink with running water. It was viral on TikTok for a while. I actually got mine on Amazon though. My son can play with this for hours. He loves it. He loves water, and so I knew I had to get him this toy. The faucet, you turn it on and water flows and it goes in and comes back out, but obviously there's no water in there right now. I definitely recommend this toy. My son is 1 and he goes crazy with it. What's in your cup? What's in your cup? Are you drinking stuff from your cup?
This is cute until you realize that there's a hole in the bottom of this and there is no base that comes with it. Where's the base? Because that would be extremely helpful.
It's not working, Binky.
Look at this little kitchen I just got, or this little sink. It comes with a fishing pole and little dishes. And the water just runs like on a battery.
Here's my last payment.